Ever wanted to learn more about profiling your game, but felt like it is a daunting task? The following gets straight to business to show some of the simpler ways to understand performance issues. Here, a basic example of something horrible as a profiling test case. Start with profile GPU, Control plus Shift plus comma. Sort by duration and expand to see what's taking most time. Generally speaking, we can look for two things: double digits milliseconds, of course, depending on the complexity of the task or event, and then secondly, checking instances of similar events. We see a lot of lights. Secondly, Unreal Insights. In this corner, you can find the expanded menu for Trace, recording the in-game activity whilst collecting stats, data on performance. Can use the Trace mark regions for more accurate marking of events we want to check. We play a bit, record, and then stop. There's a lot of information packed here, but don't fret. What you want to check is the chunkier frames at the top. The smaller vertically these sections are, the better. And secondly, checking the timers, red or brown colors to look for, as well as expanding the heavier events. We see here a lot of coins are spawned. There's no UI, with the exception of the FPS, so we ignore the slate ones. If you want to test more in how the live game will perform without editor overhead, consider playing at least as standalone, with the trace on in the launch parameter. Tune in every week for quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching.